Hi, my name's Nyle. I'm one of the senior technicians here at D&H Heating and Air Conditioning, and what we're going to do today here in our custom training lab facility, we're going to show you what we do on a heater tune-up and inspection to make sure you're safe and keep you comfortable this winter. We have a gas furnace here. A lot of people do have gas furnaces, heat pumps, either way. We come out and make sure everything is safe. So when we come out to do a heater inspection and tune-up, there's a lot of key factors that go into that. We want to, number one, make sure you're safe. 2, make sure everything's working properly. And 3, make any recommendations to improve your situation, whatever that may be. Carbon monoxide is a big one. We want to make sure there's no carbon monoxide in the house. We check gas pressures, flame patterns. We clean flame sensors and check all your safeties, change filters, and check all your wiring to make sure there's no loose or burnt connections. It's always best to get your system checked twice a year. The systems that get checked twice a year last longer and they break down less and keep you more comfortable.